Hello everyone, my name is Joseph Iftikhar and I work as a senior backend engineer in the compliance group of the govern stage. Today I'll be demonstrating how we can stream audit events to AWS S3. This is the documentation. So for this, the prerequisite is that we should be the owner for the group where we are actually configuring the destinations. So let's see how we can add that. I'll navigate to my GitLab instance and I'll go ahead and start. This is the group page and I've navigated to the audit events and then the streams tab. I'll be adding a new destination here. I'll select AWS S3. So you can see we need AWS access key, AWS region, bucket name, and secret key. So for that, first, let's go to the AWS console and create a new key. So I'll go ahead and let's create a new access key. So let's see this and then next. Let's say that this is for demo for AWS S3 audit events streaming. Create the access key. I'll just copy this and go ahead and paste it out here. I'll also copy the access key and paste it here. The next is to actually create a bucket where the logs, to which the logs are streamed. So I'll go back and this is done. And then let's just navigate to S3 and I'll create a new bucket here. So let's name this as demo AWS S3 audit event streaming. I'll copy this and let's keep it as AP Southeast 2 and I'll just create the bucket. Great, so we have a bucket here. Yes, I'll just go there and see that we don't have any objects in the bucket yet. So I'll go back and this, I'll just paste the name of the bucket and the region as well, which was AP Southeast 2. If you see here, I'll just copy it and paste it here as well and just name it as demo AWS S3 audit event streaming and I'll add the new destination. Great, so we can see that we have the destination added and we have all the details listed here. So let's go back and see if we have anything here. No, we don't have anything. So let's just go and make some changes to the group. Let's go to the merge request approval settings and for example, let's enable prevent approval by author merge request setting and just save the changes. So now we can see that we have an object here. Let's just click see the object. So we have the group. We have a group level group level audit event, and then 2023 11th the month, and then we have the type of the event and the epoch timestamp when that event occurred. We also have the ID of the audit event. So I'll just go ahead and download this file. I'll just download this and yeah, it's downloaded. Let's take a look and see what we have here. So this is the file that we're talking about. So yeah, we can see that we have the prevent merge request approval from author, and we can see that the value changed from false to true, and we have the entity path and the rest of the details about the event. Let's go back and try and generate some other event. For example, let's just keep this one as it is and go to one of the projects inside this group. So I'll just go to this project and I'll change a setting inside the project. So let's just go and apply this framework, compliance framework to the project, which should generate a new audit event. And let's just go back to our bucket, and you can see that we have a new project folder here, and then the year and the month, and we have a compliance framework ID updated audit event here. I'll just download this one as well. Let's just try to see this event. So we have the ID of the event, we have what happened. So we didn't have any compliance framework for this project, the name of the project here, and now we have a new compliance framework. And yeah, so this is how you can enable streaming of audit events from GitLab to AWS S3. Thanks a lot for watching. The documentation is in the description of the video.